Good morning, retail traders. Today's January the 2nd, 2022. Got to get used to that 2022. I wish everybody a prosperous year this year. I'm definitely coming into 2022 with a strategy. I built one into last year. It's going to be perfect for swing trading this year because I think we've had a substantial pullback in the markets, both China and America. China's going to be I'm going to be watching it closely at the beginning of the year, looking for some great opportunities. And plus, I'm still going to be trading the American market. I'm not too interested in any other foreign economies, but those two right there. So I'm very excited about this year. I mean, I'm coming into the year with I got a full account of strategies. I built one last year called the Sneaky Snake, which I think is going to be very good into 2022 with inflation and also stagflation. We should have a lot of volatility in the market. So I spent 6 months teaching or showing my strategy and learning how to catch knives, and we've been in the perfect market for doing that. One trade at a time is what I've been telling people. And if you trade that strategy, you didn't get hurt too bad. Plus, you were able to learn a strategy and take two good trades a day at least. So that's the Sneaky Snake strategy. And I want to talk about it a little bit here. We're going to erase this. I was looking at the SPY last week, a couple weeks ago, and when we had that hard sell-off. Well, before that, I was even looking at it because what we had was a bullish expansion breakout pattern. And I'm going to draw that in for you right now. This is called the Sneaky Snake strategy. What you do is you look for a trend, and then you try to find a pattern, and then you take the trade. Now, on the 20-day chart, this is the SPY. This here chart, and along with that, I use the moving averages. The 9, if you want to write these down, EMA, and the SMAs, I use the 21, the 50, and also the 200. Now I'm looking for patterns. I'm a trend trader. I also trade with price, and I trade off the level 2 and also trade off news. So those are my 4 things that I look at on a chart. This is a TTM trend chart. So what we had was I call an expansion breakout pattern. And in the room, or vocally, I call it a blowhorn pattern. It's when you take and you run your trend, your candles, as they just kind of expand on out. So this is a blowhorn. One could be taking the trade all the way up to the trend, like down here, hit it up here. I get it off these first 2 candles, same as right here to right here. And I expand it on out. And whatever trades I can get in between that, I'm great with. So this is a part of the Sneaky Snake strategy. You look for like the 3-day sell-off, you take the trade. You look for the 3-day sell-off, you take the trade. I've got what you call the 3-day rule. It plays off the 3 black crows. These are 3 black crows right here. That means every day was a red day, and it pulled back. Another indicator, this here, the blowhorn pattern. So maybe I didn't spot the blowhorn, and I come in here and I notice the SPY was dipping down. So what I do is I draw me a trend, and I'd begin the trade right here. And I'd draw the trend, and I'd just go ahead and draw me a trend in that channel. Once that channel started to break out, that's when I start getting serious with the trade. Now I need a confirmation. I've got one already. The 9 EMA crossing the 21 SMA. So that's a confirmation. So I'm looking at different trades to take in this. This is my 3-day rule with 3 black crows. The next day it starts to rebound. Well, the confirmation on the trend is the double bottom. So I want to draw a line where I think support is on this double bottom. And if we touch that, or if we get a higher low, which we did here, I'd take the trade. for a swing trade and run it back up to maybe the top of the candle. It depends on how you feel about the market and the market trend. So you got to be in the now, number 5. So you take the trade, run it on up, hit your exit strategy at the double top. You notice you started to consolidate, so we're moving sideways now. So there's different ways of taking the strategy, and if you have the patience and not try to just rush yourself, wait for the strategy to work, and you'll have a 99 or a 90% accuracy rating. I'm doing a challenge right now. You can follow me live here on YouTube. It's 5 days a week. I brought my account up from 1,000 to almost 3 last week, and then now I'm in Baba, so I'm down on it a little bit, and we'll see how that trade comes out this week. So yeah, follow me live on YouTube. We also I have a couple links down there on my social media platforms, and also we do have a Discord if you want to join it and be in time. So this is the Sneaky Snake Strategy Washboard Gym, and I wish everybody a great 2022, and let's do it.